Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about First Solar Inc. and there is a very important and big breakout has happened in this particular stock. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my all upcoming videos. Now, this is a monthly chart and we have the data since 2006. From 2006 till the high of 2008, the stock has given 1100% of return. Since then, from the highs of 2008, it falls and falls down to a level of 2012 and almost lost most of its value. And from 2012, the stock has went up again, and after that it has been moving inside a range for the last 7 years. Now with this recent move, the stock has indeed makes a breakout. So let's discuss about that and what is the probability or what is the probability of the next target or next course of action for this particular stock. We are going to check that as well. Okay, so here you have the trend. Okay, so here it is. Now this trend is very clear to understand, and because we are looking at monthly charts, so obviously the support and resistance level will be a bit distant apart. So for the current level, because the breakout has already happened, so you have your first support which will come at $83.26. Now 83.26 was your big resistance, now it will become your support now. And if the stock falls, then one should look at these three levels in between $69 to $83. So you have your first support at 83, then 75, then 69. Now if the stock falls below 69, then obviously the stock will then go towards 36, which is the lower end of the trend. Okay, 36, and then you have 28, and further you have 25. So these are the lower end of the previous range from which the stock has recently made a breakout. Okay, so if the stock falls, that's fine. Okay, if it retests, that is fine, but first of all, the primary thing to understand is it should not fall below $83, and if it does, then obviously the last thing to look at is it should not or it must not fall below 69. If it falls below 69, then obviously the next support will come at or in between $25 and $36, and below that you have your big support at $11. Okay, so these are the things what one need to know about their risk which they are taking. Now as the breakout has already happened, okay, after a couple of years of resistance, so if this kind of breakout happen, so now the probability is high that the stock will move toward its previous end of the range, previous highs or previous range. Okay, for that these are the levels which one should look at. So what you can do, you can place your stop loss at 83. Okay, that would be fine, and you should look for a range of target which starts from 104, which will be your first target or resistance. Then you have 163, you have 209, and finally you have 312 on the upside. So what one can expect on the upside or on the higher end of the range will be $312. Obviously it will take couple of years in a normal course of action. But if something miraculous which will happen, which is happening every day in the market, so obviously you can see a target which will start from 104 and the higher end of the range will be 312. You will have your mid-term resistance or targets in between, like 163209, but trail your stop losses accordingly. I have already told you that 83 will be your first and most important support. It should not go below that, and if it does, the most important thing is the stock must not go below $69. So with that, this is a big breakout, and what one should look at, probably that the stock will move on the higher end of the range or towards the higher end of the range. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.